Remember, if you're going to be a muscle in the larynx, you're going to be the... posterior cricoarytenoid.
Seriously. What?
Okay, well, that's all I have for today.
Oh, God, okay.
Hey, have you checked your email yet today?
No.
You should.
I should probably do that. Alright, let's see what we got.
Savage question. Savage question. Savage.
What was that?
I just can't right now.
You have 2 new messages.
Hey, Ed, it's Marcia Hobbs. Where were you for grading the self-directed learning assessments? We just did all of them. You know what? It doesn't matter. We just gave all the ones you were supposed to grade a 73, but that's the last time we are doing it for you, buddy.
Hey, Kern Dog, it's the Gillmeister. Just wondering if we're ever going to get to play racquetball again soon. Feels like I haven't seen you outside of work in a while. I miss you, man.
End of messages.
Sometimes I wish I had fewer responsibilities.
Sometimes I wish I could just be a doctor already. And that day, Dr. Kernick and I switched bodies. Lil E. Ooh. You a semi.
I woke up in breezy. Oh my God, I'm the man.
Bullshit.
I just fly with the tag.
Bullshit.
I be flossing with the string. This FaceTime Dr. Bright. Told her I'm as big a fan.
Yeah.
Students tagging me on Teams.
Yeah, I do.
Holy shit, check out my threads. Oh, I dissect so well. Wonder if I can sign the M word.
Wait, for real?
Well, can I really say the M word? You watch this module, you like this module. I made this module, these are great modules.
You can appreciate the value of these modules.
I made these mod. I love modules. I woke up in Ed Kernick's body. Somehow this shit turned into Freaky Friday. But we got no choice but to turn this stuff sideways. I can't believe that it's Freaky Friday. It's Freaky Friday. I'm in Ed Kernick's body. I drive his red pickup and I don't have student loans.
Ring, ring. What the heck? Woke up, I'm in MS1. MS1? What the? One can't appreciate this. How's he passing blocks with his grades looking like that? Sketching lecture 2 that ain't nobody know I came. Whoa, I can watch lectures not from home. This is great. Whoa, ain't no emails asking me for grades or with questions from first aid. All I got's an SDL child's play. What stuff? I knew the answers, but my grade was a 6. Think mechanistically. What the hell's that even mean? Wait, from a student's body, Kernick is who? But my job was obscure. If I were Ed Kernick, where would I be? What would I be?
I woke up in Ed Kernick's body. Somehow this shit turned into Freaky Friday. But we got no choice but to turn this stuff sideways. I can't believe that it's Freaky Friday. It's Freaky Friday. I'm in Ed Kernick's body. I slay my job and anatomy is the life for me.
If I was a student in my body, where would I be? I'm trying to find myself like students found free lunch.
Teaching up a star, man, these questions are dumb. It's not a pick myself.
Exam questions on Twitter? Walking around blindly trying to see where I am. Whoa, I look up by Dr. Dent. Oh, there I am. I signal to him, let me in, but he won't let me in.
I don't know who that is.
Man, who the f*** you think he is? Pull up 145 on my laptop right then. Eviscerate that mother.
Think it through for a sec. If you're hurting me, then you're only hurting yourself.
But wait, I love myself.
That was the key, now we're switching back. I woke up in Ed Kernick's body. Somehow this shit turned into Freaky Friday. But we got no choice choice but to turn this stuff sideways. I can't believe that it's Freaky Friday.
Wait, what the f? And now I'm in Dr. Kunz's body. It's way cooler than being at Kernick was. What the f? Again?
I'm Dr. Dent. Why am I so excited?
Huh? I'm Dr. Steiner. I am your colleague. I'm gonna write about that now. Holy shit, it got published? I'm gonna learn. I'm gonna understand the inner workings of med ed.